Good morning, everyone. This is Marisa with Sweet Pea Curiosities. And hey, I just thought I'd come on and just show you kind of what I'm working on right now. I'm kind of late getting going on it, but I'm doing my Easter journal. So I'm using, oh my gosh, I've got so much stuff. So when I do journals, you know, I get a bag and I find everything that I need maybe for the project and kind of stick it into a basket like this so I can kind of go through it. What I decided to do was make a soft cover, and I did it out of a shipping bubble bag. I've never done a soft cover before, but I had all of this scrap material here, and I thought, oh, how pretty. So I've just kind of put it on there. I'm not the best sewer, that's for sure, but I think with junk journals it works. So this is going to be actually the inside. This is going to be the outside, I think. And I liked this. I thought this is going to look really pretty on there. It's from a gift card. And I just thought, oh, how pretty would that bunny be on there? Because it's got kind of the peaches in there, coordinates with it. So that's kind of my plan right now. But I think that will look really cute. So I have tons of cards. I had a lady give me boxes and boxes of cards. So I try to use them in all my journals because I've just got so much. But this is all Easter, so I'll be playing with some of these in here. Sometimes I cut the pictures out, or I just add the actual card into my journal. So that's what I have there. Now, as far as the papers go, I have several different Easter digitals out there. So I've kind of printed a lot that I'm going to try to use. These here are cards of little girls with bunnies on them. That's one of my digitals. I have other digitals with just the bunny pictures on them. I also have, these are pockets. Now I printed this too big when I did this, so because this is the size that it comes, and it folds, and then you can use the pockets here to create something. But I'm going to make these a little bit smaller maybe and see if I can incorporate them into my journal as well. Then yeah, I have all my ephemera and that sort of thing. The main digital that I'm using is my newest Easter kit, and it's real pretty. So that's that one there. This one. And I've kind of got them together. I've got to trim them down and need to, edge them and that sort of thing. But I just wanted to kind of give you a look of kind of how I get started. I've just pulled papers and that sort of thing. I've got some from Daphne's diaries. I've got some of her pages in here that I've got to use. Some Edith Holden pages. This is from another kit that I have out there. It's just real pretty botanical, but I thought these were kind of springy flowers I'll stick in there, that sort of thing. So yeah, what else do I have here? Oh my gosh, I have all of these that I'll incorporate, all the different cards, some more papers, maybe some backing, that sort of thing, some more of the cards. Oh boy, just so much little stuff to use. But anyways, so that's what I am working on right now. So I don't know, I'm kind of excited about a soft cover. So yeah, I think that would just be super cute. I've got to kind of figure out maybe the edges around here. I sewed around here and then kind of glued it down, but it's going to need something, I think. So hopefully I'll have this done in the next couple of days. Hopefully before Easter. But anyway, so there's that. I also wanted to show you, and I didn't do a separate video of it, but this is one of my newest. I just thought I'd just do a little flip through with this one. This is my newest file folder kit with these, I call it a Victorian File Folders, because the girls look very kind of Victorian. Oh my gosh, they're just so cute. Their little faces are just adorable. I have other videos, if you haven't already seen, or if you're new to my channel, videos of how I make these file folders. This one I did a little bit differently. I created backing paper that you just print on the back of it. It's just so much easier. We're having trouble, some people had trouble lining up when they were doing the reverse backing of those when they were printing. So I've just done solid paper to put onto the back. But anyways, and it has the little words to put on here. I've got Victorian letters and journal on the front of this one. Has a lot of ephemera. So it's in the, look at them, aren't they cute? Has a lot of the ephemera in it. Corner pockets. Oh, they're just so precious. So cute. Yeah, lots of little pockets. I use the no soap binding, and that's also in that instruction video of how to do that. But real vibrant colors. Everybody always asks me, you know, what paper you use, and I know I say this all the time, and I put it in my listings, but a good photo matte paper is, if you want bright, good colors. Sometimes people think it's the printer, but the majority of the time, it's the paper. And I use this one. It's by Printworks. It's a matte photo paper. This is the best one that I've found so far to use. And it comes with 80 sheets. It is more expensive than just your regular standard paper. But if you want bright colors, it is so important to use a good paper. So I buy this. I'm on the West Coast in Oregon, and I buy mine at Fred Meyer's, and it runs about, I don't know, $10, $11. I think 10 a pack. So every time I'm at Fred Meyer's, I grab them because they don't seem to have them as often. But I have seen them on Amazon, but they're more expensive. It's like $14 or so on Amazon. But get yourself some good paper, you know, even if you use it for just the cover, and then you can use your other paper that you don't need that vibrant colors. But yeah, I always put that on my listings for people to make sure, because I just really want them to have those vibrant, pretty colors. I actually did a test one time, and I took different papers. It was amazing, the difference. So anyways, so there's that. More pockets. Oh my gosh, look at them. So it's there. This file folders, it's in blues, yellows, and then reds. And it has, you know, old letters to throw in there. And I use these side panels as side pockets. So again, pretty little letter. Oh, so sweet. There's a little side pocket. And it comes with this ephemera, so it'll help you fill it up. These are just great little gifts for somebody. They're really very easy. Once you get going, once you've got it printed, you do your binding. They're just to me, they're just quick little journals to make. Just so easy. And you don't have to do a journal. I mean, you know, like I said on the other videos, you can use them to put into a little box maybe to hold your ephemera in and just make it pretty. But anyways, I just thought I'd come on, do this quick little video, and that's it. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll link some stuff down below just so you have that as reference. And thank you so much, and everybody have a great day. Bye-bye.